This impactful message echoed in the electrifying opening speech by Sundar Pichai, the charismatic CEO of Google, at the grand stage of Google I/O, the annual gathering of Google's passionate developers. Indeed, Google has invested 7 years in shaping the future of artificial intelligence, and now we stand on the threshold of an exhilarating new era. In this video, we are going to discover how Google is shaping the future on this incredible journey into AI content development. In recent years, Google has been at the forefront of technological innovation, harnessing artificial intelligence to enhance its services and products. With an unparalleled commitment to improving user experience, Google's advancements have revolutionized the way we interact with online platforms. Following the ChatGPT boom and Microsoft's recent strides, a prevailing sentiment within much of the tech industry is that Google, despite controlling many tools that enable modern language models, has not managed to develop a strong commercial strategy to leverage them. Recognizing the potential of AI early on, Google, as a leading tech company, invested heavily in research and development to propel its applications forward. Over the years, Google's AI algorithms have evolved from basic speech recognition software to intricate deep learning models. These models enable Google's services and products to comprehend and analyze vast amounts of data, providing users with more precise and personalized results. Today, one of Google's most renowned applications of artificial intelligence lies in its integration within search algorithms. Google's primary goal has always been to provide its users with the most relevant search results. Over the years, the responses it provides have evolved to showcase more comprehensive and context-aware information. However, the advent of generative and conversational artificial intelligences has now opened up an opportunity to offer a more direct and comprehensive form of response, rather than having to distill a query into short search queries, as was customary in the past, to obtain precise results. Google's new search engine, set to launch this year, will function more like an open conversation between the user and the web. Leveraging AI techniques, Google has been able to refine its search algorithms, ensuring that users receive the most accurate and useful information in response to their inquiries. With AI, Google can better understand the user's search intent and context, allowing it to present more specific results. Through machine learning, Google's algorithms continually learn and improve over time, adapting to user preferences and behavior. The use case demonstrated at the conference, searching for an electric bike for a short commute to work, serves as a perfect example of the kind of interaction the company hopes these new search tools will generate. Instead of searching for electric bikes and sifting through an endless list of results, as was customary in the past, users can simply ask their questions in natural language, tailored to their specific needs. I want a bike for my daily 5-kilometer commute with some inclines. In addition to recommending various models, Google will also provide tips and reasons why they might be of interest. Users can further refine their search with additional information or request alternative answers. Beneath this information window, Google will continue to display results in the form of a list of links. The continuous development and refinement of natural language processing techniques not only benefits search capabilities, but also empowered Google Assistant, Google's AI-based virtual assistant, to comprehend and respond to increasingly complex commands and queries. Through machine learning, it learns to better interpret user intent, enabling more precise and personalized responses. By integrating voice recognition technology with AI advanced capabilities, Google Assistant can perform a wide range of tasks, from setting reminders and answering questions to controlling smart devices in our homes. This new experience won't be the only Google tool harnessing the advances the company has made in the field of artificial intelligence in recent years. Take Google Workflow, for instance, which will be getting a conversational interface this year. It will assist in creating spreadsheets, presentations, and documents based on natural language conversations, a feature Microsoft has also been experimenting with in Office using the GPT-4 language model, but more on that later, so stay tuned. The fact that both giants are moving in the same direction underscores that these ways of working are becoming increasingly common. Google has even integrated these new capabilities into another incredibly popular tool, Gmail. With Help Me Write, the email application can not only offer phrase and text suggestions as it did before, but also generate complete specific messages on any topic the user desires with the necessary length. All of these new tools capitalize on the latest advancements of the language model, known as PaLM2. The moniker for these AI engines, PaLM2, now powers the generative chat tool Bard, which is already available in over 180 countries. It's also the model Google will use across its other tools and on various devices, with the ability to scale efficiently and rapidly on mobile devices and deliver more complexity and power on larger servers. It's incredibly advanced, capable of comprehending complex texts and not just generating text, but also code and in over 20 different programming languages. Google also allows developers to train and adapt it for specific domains, such as medical information. Now, do you recall our mention of GPT-4? Well, it's worth noting that Google's intent here is to remain at the forefront of AI and compete head-to-head with OpenAI's models. Honestly, ChatGPT's launch last November sent shockwaves through Google. This popular chatbot posed such a threat to the company that they had to spring into action. It was like a race to the moon, with both giants developing technological wonders. For Google, this effort led to the unveiling of Google Bard and a not-so-secret project called Gemini. But what exactly is Google Gemini? Gemini represents a leap forward in generative AI. It comprises large language models, or LLMs, that utilize techniques from AlphaGo, including reinforcement learning and tree search. This innovative approach could potentially dethrone ChatGPT as the leading generative AI solution worldwide. So to make it simple, Gemini consists of large language models powering a range of applications, from chatbots to summarizing text and generating original content like email drafts, music lyrics, or news stories. Gemini does it all. It even assists software engineers in writing code and generates images based on user requests. Sundar Pichai highlighted that Gemini merges the prowess of DeepMind's AlphaGo system, renowned for mastering the complex game Go, with extensive language modeling capabilities. Designed to be multimodal, it seamlessly integrates text, images, and other data types, paving the way for more natural conversation. Pichai also hinted at future capabilities like memory and planning, enabling tasks requiring reasoning. With its multimodal capabilities and potential access to Google's vast proprietary training data, Gemini is poised to challenge ChatGPT's dominance in the generative AI space. This move underscores Google's commitment to AI innovation and fierce competition in the rapidly expanding generative AI market, expected to reach a staggering $1.3 trillion by 2032. But could Gemini overtake ChatGPT's throne? The buzz surrounding Gemini's release centers on whether this enigmatic language model has what it takes to dethrone ChatGPT, which boasts over 100 million monthly active users this year. Initially, Google attempted to distinguish Gemini by its ability to generate both text and images. However, OpenAI made a game-changing move on September 25, 2023, by allowing users to input voice and image queries into ChatGPT. Now that OpenAI is venturing into multimodal models and connecting ChatGPT to the internet, the key differentiator between the two giants appears to be Google's vast reservoir of proprietary training data. Google Gemini has access to data spanning various services, including Google Search, YouTube, Google Books, and Google Scholar. The use of this proprietary data in training Gemini models may give it a significant advantage in deriving sophisticated insights and inferences from datasets. This advantage becomes even more pronounced if early reports suggesting that Gemini is trained on twice as many tokens as GPT-4 hold true. However, it's premature to count out the generative AI giant just yet. The pivotal question now is, which platform can truly excel in multimodal AI? With the secretive development of Gemini, coupled with the launch of ChatGPT rival Bard, Workspace Duet AI, and the robust new search generative experience available as a Google app and Chrome add-on earlier this year, all signs indicate that Google is positioning itself as a frontrunner in the evolving landscape of AI. Now, I'm enthusiastic to learn about your experiences with Google's AI. How has it made your life better? Are you excited about the exciting developments on the horizon? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Stay informed about all of Google's cutting-edge technological advancements by subscribing to our channel. Until our next update,